Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Ju Travel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time I'm going to react the official music video of Horizon with their new song entitled Lucky. So before proceeding to my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a new video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. So they just dropped this music video the other day, so I'm really excited to make my reaction because it's been a while also since the last time I react to their music video. So i-check natin yung bagong music video ng Horizon. Nasa Korea na to sila naka-base, guys, ha? Ooh, somebody's... Ooh, Kyler. Guys, si Kyler parang mukha ni ano, no? Chu Onwoo. Ooh. They look so good. Ibang-iba na talaga ang dating nila. Korean na. Ooh. Ang cool ng ano nila, outfit na, ano ba, yung parang jeans. Ooh. Laki na ng improvements nila. Ang cool. Grabe, ang gwapo ni Kyler, oh. Racer, pula ang buhok. Benchy. Lucky. Woo. Lucky. Jeremy. Kim. Winston. Marcus. Wow guys, ang laki na ng improvements nila sa yung pananamit nila. Ang cool na cool, lalo na yung nakaano sila, parang maong ba yung jacket at saka jeans. Ang ganda nila tingnan. Plus, ang galing na nilang sumayaw. Yung kanta guys, so ang ano no, ang cool na cool ba. Pero yun ang ikinagaganda guys, yung what I really like in this music, iniba nila yung boses nila, parang ibang-iba compared to the sa 70 nila na music. So parang bagong ano na ba, bagong sound sila. So it's really nice. Ang ganda din ng music video nila, klarong-klaro, yung sayaw, yung galaw talaga ibang-iba na. Plus yung mga mukha, sobrang gwapo na eh. Hello, Rester. Marcus. Galing talaga sumayaw ni Jeremy, no? Kyler. Pugi talaga. Boses ni Benchy ang taas. Lucky. Ang puti na mukha ni ano, Kyler. Ang cool ng dance steps nila. Video transition, ang ganda ring. Wow. cool nila tingnan. Ito talaga ang front nila sa visual, oh. Kyler. Ang galing. Ang ganda ng ano nila, dance choreo. Ang galing nila sumayaw. Parang sarap nilang panoorin ba yung nakita mo yung umpisa talaga nila hanggang sa ngayon. Parang ang laki na ng pinagbago nila, tsaka ang laki na ng achievements nila. So, there you go guys, my reaction to the official music video of Horizon with the song entitled Lucky. So, I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now!